Hey guys, I'm putting the i7 CPU in. It came today. Yay. To finally unbottleneck my PC. It's an Intel Core i7 4790. I got it used, of course. I got thermal paste. See, thermal grease. And I got a toolkit that I got from freaking AliExpress. Let's see how good it is. Okay, so I'm back. Oh, all right. Let's see that. Twist. No, it's like plastic on it. Look at this. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. I use gold thermal paste. I don't know. I just want to try something different. I had never used gold thermal paste before. And then I don't know. I like for it to get all over the CPU. Some people don't like to spread it out. Some people I don't know. I do the old school. Don't be like Camilla, but you know, whatever. All right. Okay. I gotta remember how this bitch came up off here. That's how it came up off here. All right. Let me go from corner to corner, right to left. Girl, what the fuck? That bitch ain't. Oh, girl. What the fuck? Girl, that's crazy. Bitch, rather like they was in the house, but not in the house. Okay, hold on. Okay, it was on there. But it was like these weren't in the right place or something. Let me make sure they get this bottom hole too. What is the top hose? Girl, the fucking gag. Oh, girl, fuck it. Oh, this open in here. No, she in there. That one went in. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's plug her back in. Ooh, the other way. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Which way does this motherfucker? Oh, it go this way. Oh. Okay. Whew. All right. The fan ain't moving, so it's back in there. All right. Oh, let me tie drag up the nuts. All right, I'm about to